Hello guys, this is our core learning course by example, and today is the day 21. I would like to guide you how to reverse a number in Java. Okay, so here in this video, I will allow the user to enter a number from the keyboard, and after that, I will reverse that number. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open Eclipse. Okay, here, so I go ahead to create a class, and I will name it a reverse number. I will create the main method. Click on finish button. Okay, so here I will enter the command for this one. Day21 reverse number in Java. Okay, here. So we have to import the library. Import until. Okay, here. So here I will create an scanner. Let's see. Scanner. Step. Okay, and here I will create a integer input number. Okay, so here I got input equal sc dot init integer. So here, and in the next step we have to revert the input number. Okay, so here I will create integer reverse number. It should be equal 0. Okay, I will y in. Here, so here we can sort, or you can use this way. Okay, sorry, equal 10. Okay, and I will system those are green line. Draw reverse number is reverse. Okay, and now let's run this application and see what happens. Okay, here, so I'm going to have to enter an integer number. Okay, I will enter 1 2 3 4 5 here. So here, after you enter the 1 2 3 4 5 and reverse number will be 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so let me run it again. 8 9 2 5 6 7 8 9 10. Enter here. So here, because this number exists the value of integer, so it will be display the arrow. Okay, I'll run it again. Here. Okay. So here in this video today, I will don't talk about how to fix the exit number because I just forgot on to how to reverse the number here. Okay, so maybe I will talk about the how to fix the error issue later in another video. Okay, cool. So here I'll run it again. Yeah, it worked fine for now. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye bye and see you later.